Ever wondered how to make your garden not only beautiful, but also sustainable and eco-friendly? Welcome to the world of sustainable gardening, where we harmonize nature's beauty with eco-conscious practices. It's about nurturing life while caring for our planet. Stay tuned to learn how to transform your garden into a sustainable haven. One of the first steps towards a sustainable garden is composting. By recycling organic waste like fruit peels and coffee grounds, you can create nutrient-rich compost. This black gold, as gardeners often call it, feeds your plants, improves soil structure, and helps retain moisture. It also helps reduce greenhouse gases by keeping waste out of landfills. So, by composting, you're not just nourishing your garden, but also doing your bit for our planet. Composting not only enriches your soil, but also reduces kitchen waste, a win-win for you and the environment. Water is a precious resource that we should use wisely. Get creative in your garden, collect rainwater for irrigation, or consider a drip system to provide plants with a steady drink. Remember, every drop counts when it comes to creating a sustainable garden. Did you know that choosing native plants can make your garden more sustainable? Native plants have evolved to thrive in your area's specific climate and soil conditions, making them naturally more resilient and requiring less water and care. Plus, they play a crucial role in supporting local wildlife, providing food and habitat for birds, insects, and other creatures. They're the unsung heroes of a biodiverse, eco-friendly garden. So next time you're choosing plants, consider going native. Sustainable gardening is not just a trend, it's a lifestyle choice that benefits you, your garden, and the planet. We've dived into the power of composting, the importance of water conservation, and the benefits of choosing native plants. Each of these practices contributes to a healthier environment, a thriving garden, and a sustainable lifestyle. So why not give it a try? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.